What's going on, YouTube? I really appreciate y'all for stopping by my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about how to discrete collections off your credit. Hey, let's go ahead and dive right in. So first, I want to acknowledge one thing about credit, and that's the Fair Credit Report Act, or the FCRA. So who does the FCRA apply to? Basically, any company that collects and sells data about you to third parties. So these companies must follow the conditions of the FCRA. So we got a little leeway right there. So what are some violations? The most common violation is creditors giving reporting agencies inaccurate information about you. Okay, so first step. First, we want to know what's actually on our credit and what's affecting us negatively. So what we want to gather is the date, the account number, and the creditor name. Second step, y'all, is going to be putting your information in this free template. Don't worry, I'm going to have a link in the description below to take you right to these templates. Now for the final step, the third step, we're going to send our letters certified by mail with a return receipt. The reason we need the return receipts is so we know when the creditors have gotten our letters. Thanks y'all for watching. That's the end of this video. Like I said earlier, them links are in the description box. And while y'all down there, go ahead and hit that sub and that like button. Thank you, and y'all have a nice day.